So, hi Dave, just want to come in and add my 2 cents to your video. So, let's start with City Edge, and I won't talk about importing or stuff, just want to show how the part could have been edited. So I will just recreate the part, so at the same time it will give some insight for people to how to create things in Solid Edge. And I could go with the offset here, go outside, and probably use your menu. Sorry, looking for my key. And whoops, sorry. Endpoint here to endpoint here. So that's your part. And let's give a thickness of something like this. Oh, before doing the thickness, probably I can show the manipulation of a sketch. So I can use that sketch, pick the midpoint here, move this to be at the center, and then pick this one here, go to midpoint, move that sketch somewhere in the middle. Sorry if you heard background noise, it's the dehumidificator that's running. And probably I want to add some round, because from what I remember from the video we got a round at, whoops, probably I want to lift that face 90 degree. And since I got no straight face here, what I will do, I will simply add a line somewhere here, and I will use a surface command named split, where I want to split that face against this one here. And now I can use the lift command again and come out with something like this. And then probably I want to select all those faces, the one at the top, the one at the bottom, and probably locate the steering wheel somewhere here. And let's do a copy of this by 90 degree. So as you see, the part automatically join and form whatever I need to. So probably from there I could use this and resize my part. Same thing from here. Whoops, sorry. Same thing from here. Could resize this way too. If you don't like the dimension, we can delete the dimension. So you can reapply dimension. Whoops, sorry, I went too far. So only delete the dimension. Thank you. And the sketch, we don't need the sketch anymore, so why not do a good cleanup about those sketch. Here we go. Now we got a clean part. So in the previous video, the center section was removed, so why remove it when you can simply move it whatever you need to. And if you need to resize the round, just select the round, pick this one, whoops, sorry, pick this one and resize the round. Of course in that case it will reset the thickness, because we got an offset applied to it that was recognized from the sketch. So if you don't want to have to reset the offset, sorry, to be taken in account, you can remove it, but technically it should be kept because it's part of the logic. What else I need to do? Oh yes, all. So if you go to alls, probably if I want to keep that offset here, like say like this, want to drill a hole on probably something like counterbore hole, countersink, because I think, yeah, countersink was what was in the video. Let's go with 1.5 and 2.5 for this one. I think it should be good. Yep. So place it here. Oop, and this one should go through the part. So let's exit that hole and let's go through. Whoop, but through next, that will be good too. Yeah, but let's go through all just to make sure that we cut everything in case we need to reuse it. So I need to create a second hole, so why not copy this one that was somewhere in the middle here, and why not copy a second time to place it here. So thing that I saw is in the previous video, and I think Dave, this is also what you have done, is you have delete the hole. So why delete the hole? In case that you need it. So simply select your hole. Whoop, we'll remove this one and this one too. Sorry, I want to go too fast. So remove this one too, and simply ask to detach that hole. So why we detach? Because if we happen to want to reuse it, so let's Control X to cut, Control V to paste on that face, F3, and I can assign and attach that hole. So simply move my hole on the second surface. So there's no need to delete something if you think you can reuse it. So Control V again, select a face, F3, place it there, then attach your hole, and your hole is there. So this one was going through, so we cut through the part at this point. So you want to retrieve the other hole, simply say attach, and the hole will be retrieved. So both holes are retrieved because they were detached in the same action, or you can simply detach one by one, so you can recall one by one. And of course, since I've done a cut and paste, I probably want to restore that hole here like this. And again, at any point in time, I can add dimension to relocate stuff a little bit more precise. Sorry, I want to change the settings so the mouse wheel will enable change value. Here we go. So if I pick this one, so I can relocate the hole at whatever distance that I need to. Or again, it's synchronous, so I can move the left side too, or I can move equally both. It's up to you, whatever you want to. So again, no need to delete, no need to whatever split or whatever. Just move your body around, change the dimension. If there's a behavior like the offset that you don't want to use, then you can delete the offset here. It can always be recreated with the offset feature here. And so that's the powerful stuff we had with synchronous. When we talk about direct editing, it's not just a move face, it's a little bit more than that. And while we are at it, some people want to relocate the body, so you can choose whatever body you want and you can relocate that body, say from here to center on this one here. So now the body is relocate whatever best suit your needs. So hope you like this. Thanks.